How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to another episode of Sound Design Lab. My name is Hakobo, and today I'm going to be showing you a sound that I call the Habstrakt because it very much reminds me of a style of Habstrakt's music, who I am a big fan of, and this is what it sounds like. Alright, so let's just dive right in. We're going to go ahead and be turning on oscillator A and B, and for oscillator A we're just going to basic shapes and turning that puppy on a square wave. Then we're going to go ahead and just go here and turn this on to anti-stasis under the digital, and we're going to be cranking that octave up to 3 octaves, and then we are going to start with let's go ahead and actually turn both of those off real quick. We're going to be making 2 LFOs today. The first LFO is going to be over here, and then we're going to keep the line exactly as it is, and then we're going to go ahead and lift this line up so that it goes through the bottom of the second square right in the middle right here. We're going to go ahead and turn on trigger, and then we're going to go ahead and make our second LFO, which is going to be taking this line and simply just bringing it halfway through the second square right here at the top. And then by the looks of it, everything else is the same. We just turn off trigger. So then we're going to go ahead and turn on our FM from B, and we're going to bring that up to 21. And then we're going to throw on our LFO and bring that down to 28. And then we are going to actually bring our wavetable position for this sound up to 102, just like that. And let's go ahead and give our sound a listen. There is no sound because I'm dumb and forgot to put the LFO 1 on our level. So there's that intense noise right there. Very messy. So we're going to go ahead and turn on our filter, and we're going to just leave it on this right here, and we're going to go ahead and bring down the resonance and the cutoff, and we're going to take our LFO 2, put it on the cutoff, and bring it down to 80. And that right there should complete the sound. So this is very similar to the Neuro stab that I showed you, just with different wavetables, and creates a cool sound that you can throw in your house songs if you're trying to make some gritty house music. Alright, that's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching.